Last po, inattention to results. Okay? Pagka ang tao walang tiwala sa isa't isa, they don't deal with conflict well, they're not committed, at hindi sila accountable, wala na silang interest sa results. Oo. So ano ang mga signs na may dysfunction ang team mo sa result? Okay? Hindi nami-meet yung target. Yung mga high achievers, high performers, nagre-resign. Okay? Ang naiiwan ay yung mga petics. No? Yung mga tao, mas importante sa kanila, yung kanilang, ang priority nila, yung sarili nila, wala silang pake doon sa goal ng team. Yan. So, mahirap mag-succeed ang team pagka kanya-kanya yung mga team members. So, how do you solve this problem? How do you create a results-oriented team? Dapat priority yung team goal, merong shared success, at focused ang execution ng team. When that happens, you will have a team that's achievement-oriented. They're able to retain people because high-performing individuals, high-performing teams are well-rewarded. Okay? Put team goals ahead of self-interest and stay focused